Christopher Knight Home Rache Modern Round Coffee Table with Hammered Iron, Silver, 2600. Modern. Our table offers a simplistic structure and metallic colors for a modern touch in any home. Featuring a clean cylindrical shape and convenient table lip, this accent table set will instantly give your decor a chic atmosphere. Hammered metal. This coffee table features a hammered surface to create a gorgeous textured look. This finish allows this piece aesthetic versatility, blending seamlessly with a range of decor styles. Iron frame. The sturdy construction of this iron frame ensures that this table will hold up under heavy use. Dimensions. Choose an accessory that is the perfect size for you and your furniture. This coffee table comes in 2600L x 2600W x 1700H. You will love how much your space can transform with the simple addition of this table. No assembly. This coffee table comes ready to use straight out of the box. No assembly required. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.